Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at something you 3D printed and thought, this could be better? Well, that's exactly what I did. Today I'm modifying my old sharp-edged handle design I made in Tinkercad into a sleek, modern piece with a reflective twist I made in plasticity. Stick around to see how it turned out. For the design, my goal was to move away from the sharp, square edges of my earlier Tinkercad design, mock version shown here at the bottom. I wanted something sleeker and more refined, so I went with a rounded, polished aesthetic. To make it functional and stylish, I added these diamond-shaped inlays that will hold little square mirrors that you will see in a bit, for that reflective twist. Before we printed the actual handle, we did a fit test print of the inlays for the mirrors. It fit so well, we had to use a heat gun to get the mirror back out. Once the design was ready, I sliced it and printed it on our FDM printer using PLA. We ran into a problem, so we switched to a different printer to finish the print, while my partner fixed the issue. You can see the problem resolution for that in the video we did last week, or by clicking the link at the end of this video or in the description. The print quality turned out great, and the inlays for the mirrors came out as planned. Stringing and printing is normal, just need to clean it up, and now for the assembly. As seen by the fit test, these square mirrors fit snugly into the inlays, adding a clean, reflective touch to the handle. Let me know what you think about this feature in the comments while I put the mirrors in the other handle and we attach the first handle to the top drawer. Here's a side-by-side comparison of my older Tinkercad design versus the new plasticity version. The original has sharper, more angular edges, while this updated design feels softer and more modern. Personally, I love the way the curved edges and embedded mirrors elevate the overall look. And here's the final result. This handle is a major upgrade and will be replacing my older design. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the new look. And if you have any ideas for future projects, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.